Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Today we're going to talk about Dog with Hat, of course, WIF. We're going to go over this one. We're going to do some price prediction, technical analysis at the end of the video. So if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, leave some bullish comments down below. If you guys are OG to the channel, let's go ahead and do a deep dive on this one. This is a money bag alert. You guys know that I'm getting extremely bullish on all things Solana. And let's face it, this one could be that billion-dollar project. I like this one because literally just a dog with a hat. Now we're gonna refresh the page so we can have some fun with this and show you how it happens. So give me 1 second. Let's verify. Right now, check out how the page starts off. I just want you guys to see how this works out, and so you can see that it's literally just a dog with a hat. It starts off like you're about to read it, and it's like, wait a minute, and then everything's just getting crossed out because it's none of that. It's literally a dog with a hat. Don't even bother reading none of this, but you can bother. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and join me in the Moneybags Mansion. Link down below. I have in the description where I'm going to be having AMAs, where I'm going to talk all things Solana, where I'm going to talk about, Dog with Hat and this community that I'm sure is going to make this video go crazy. So yeah, we're going to scroll down. We're going to check some things out. We're going to look at their X page, see what they got going on. But this is what we got right now. A dog with a hat with over a 300 and something million dollar market cap. And you guys know I've been saying that Solana is very bullish. It's giving me those 2021 vibes. I'm asking you guys in the comments, can dog with hat hit that billion-dollar market cap? I think it can. I think it's very bullish. It's already kind of past those thresholds that are very important. If it can get past that $500 million market cap, it's going to spiral to that Billy really, really quickly. Okay. Let's go ahead and get to the X page and check this out over here really quick before we start doing some technical analysis. We'll talk about some support, resistance, entries. Is it too late to get into Dog with Hat? Let me know down in the comments. Am I too late? Did I miss this one? I personally believe that this one can continue and, reach a billion-dollar market cap. We see a bullish community. Make sure you guys come over here and engage with all things going on with Dog with Hat. Come over here, like everything, retweet this video, pin it in the TG, retweet it on the X page, and make the YouTube algorithm work for our bags when it comes to Dog with Hat and spreading the word about the Solana ecosystem overall. So we got a thriving community. We got a dog with a hat, and I gotta get this one out there to everybody. I don't think we should sleep on Dog with Hat. Let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comments. Let me know what you think about it in the Moneybags Mansion. This is what they got for us. They got a couple of videos. This is what's going on. But at the end of the day, they are making people money. They are sitting at a $340 million market cap. And let's go ahead and mark this chart up and talk about some support and resistance on this one. I think it does have the potential to hit that billion-dollar market cap. It kind of wicked up to almost 45 cents. So about $450 million market cap, which is really impressive. And that's why this should not be overlooked. So we're going to talk about some support and resistance right now. Go ahead and identify the easy ones that kind of stand out to us. We're trading within this channel right now. This is the channel that we're in right now, between 24 cents and 34 cents. Those are the channels that we're in right now. But previously, we were down at the 16 cents, which is right above the psychological barrier. It goes 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, and so forth. So right now you can see that we're pushing to get past that 35 cents mark. And we can see that this is a resistance, and it's an area that we had trouble with before. We would get above, but we come right back down. But this is where we're trying to get above. We're trying to get above 35 cents and hold above that. We can do anything of the sort like this. Of course, this is a daily chart. This is zoomed out. You want to look at this one zoomed out because we already are at a $340 million market cap. So you wanted to at least get to that billion-dollar market cap. It's got $2.4 million in trading volume. That is so impressive. Cannot be overlooked. So let's go ahead and layer the chart down and start to work our way down in the time frames to see exactly where we get in so we can fit in, right? So we can see what we got going on a little bit more, right? Right now, it's starting to identify itself right above the 16. That's something that we just bounced off of recently, and now we're starting to pump. The overall markets are starting to pump, and we can see that this was a support that we try to hold on to. See, when we got past it, we made a red candle and we lost it right away. That's why right here where I drew this line, it's going to be important for us to break above, because we had resistance there before, and we're going to want to make a support in this area. We can see where we were tapping a few times after losing it. We were really trying to hold on to it, but then we lost it and we fell to the downside. But no big deal. Nonetheless, the community is very active. I went into the TG. You know, the buys are coming through. $2.4 million in trading volume. So we're moving, and we're making good volume. The all-time high sitting at that 45, 44, give or take. We're really pushing to get to that dollar. Like, this is the ones that you guys asked, when dollar. This is one that's relatively close to actually hitting something like that, and could go all the way to that $1 billion market cap. So this is the price that we want to break past right here. If we can get past this 35 cents, things can get bullish. If we break past it, come back down, make a support, that's extremely bullish for Dogwifhat. So do not get shooken out of your positions, because this one can take off out of nowhere. The markets are going crazy right now. We've seen Bitcoin psych tons of people out while pulling back into the low 40,000s, and out of nowhere going straight back up to 49,000 just to snatch up some liquidity before it rockets up past 100K. So you really want to be careful with trying to time the market right now. Like the saying goes, time in the market is better than timing the market. So right now we're in those scenarios where trying to time the market can be kind of dangerous. You can miss the boat completely. So you want to kind of just be in the market right now, because Bitcoin is bullish. It psyched everybody out. You don't want to get psyched out when it comes with Dogwifhat. Okay, so let's layer the chart down again, down to the 4-hour chart. We can see that playing out a little bit more. Let's layer it a bit more down to the 2-hour. So we can find our zone that we're consolidating in. 1 hour. So it's still looking bullish. We can see a lot of green candles, and we're using the Heikin-Ashi candle, so that's a lot of buying pressure. Those candles measure volume, and we can see that this is where we're trading within. So any kind of sideways trading between 24.33, that's all bullish. If you see or you believe that Dogwifhat, that's constantly trending, that's why it's about time I made a video on it. Hot number 3 on the Solana is right here doing its thing. So any kind of consolidation, even inside here, this is all bullish. If you believe Dogwifhat can bust out and go all the way up to that $1 billion market cap, or we can just go ahead and break out right now and get above it. If we get above that 35 cents mark, that's going to be bullish for us. So let's go ahead and zoom out a bit. Let's go down to the 15-minute chart, see how things are looking. So we can see that playing out. 5-minute chart. So yeah, these are our ranges right there, but I would look zoomed out on this one, and I would, zoomed out, this chart just looks super bullish. Look how healthy this chart looks. That's an amazing chart right there. I'm bullish on Dogwifhat. Let me know if you're bullish. Join the Moneybags Mansion, link down below. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Help this video go viral, make the YouTube algorithm work for Dogwifhat and our bags by like, subscribe, share the video, make it go crazy. You guys know the rest. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.